Hi everyone! I know it's been a long time since I filmed a video. Life got kind of crazy and I stopped making videos trying to get adjusted to the new schedule. But I'm back and I thought it would be a good time to do a house tour. It's been probably about a year and a half since I filmed the first one because that was my very first video, and some things have changed and there's still a lot of projects that I want to do. The house is far from perfect. I think it'll always be a work in progress. I think that's just the way everyone's house is, but I thought it would be, like I said, a good time to show you around and get started again. We'll start at the front door. I just have this little front table here and a mirror, and then this home that my sister made. I'm pretty sure that was there the last time. I really just don't remember. And then my tiny little office. I really want to redo those bookshelves and make them look nice because I'm working from home 100% now, and we do Microsoft Team calls, and that's what you see in the background. Most of the time I don't even have my camera on though. I'm horrible about being on camera, even though I do YouTube videos, whatever. And then this is my closet. Could use some rearranging. It's not horribly bad, it's been worse. And then, of course, I have a million markers. That's what I do. And then I've been doing my nails in here too. I set up this little table, my powder dip nails. I'm thinking about, because I haven't really been doing crafts because I've been spending so much time on my nails, I'm thinking about doing a Mani Monday every Monday, so you guys can see what I did. I usually do my nails on Thursday. I film it, but I could film it on Thursday and then post it on Monday so you guys can see my craft. And then this is the living room. There's Blanca. The bookshelves, I'm sure everything's been rearranged, but they're looking kind of cluttered, so I think it's time to thin all that stuff out. And then I know my kitchen has changed. I mean, my dining area, because I got new chairs and I redid the table. It's supposed to be distressed looking, and it looks distressed. I didn't mean for it to look that distressed, but it did. And then I put up a shelf there, so that looks nice. And then I finally kind of got this third bathroom. I don't think I've ever even shown this. Got this all together. And then this room, I want to turn, it was my dad's room. My dad passed away in March, but I kind of want to turn it into a guest room. We have a hospital bed we want to get rid of, and then I can kind of rearrange it. Put some curtains up. And then I love my kitchen. I don't know if that's focused, but I do have I want to put something up here, and I like it when I have the under cabinet lights. I hope I'm not making everybody dizzy by walking, but this is what it looks like with the under cabinet lights on. It just kind of glows too much, so I don't usually turn them on. Kitchen. And then I put up my Dyson. I got a Dyson, and I hung it on the wall so it has its own little charging area. And I do want to reorganize these shelves, make them look a little bit neater. My pantry, do we want to go there? Let's see. Yeah, it's kind of messy. I love that Tim Hortons coffee. It still looks okay, not perfect. I'm a hoarder. I got a lot of food, which is good. And then over here we have our little half bath. It's kind of roomy, but I wanted to put like a shelf above the toilet, put some decorations, maybe some pictures there. And then my husband's man cave. He has it the way he wants it. We're gonna leave that alone for right now. And then the bedroom. That's a new bed. I have the chair from the living room here, treadmill. I think that's the same. And then the bathroom. My little area. Ooh, dizzy. My husband's area. My closet. I need to get rid of some of this clothes. I don't even wear it all. Shoes, makeup stuff, sheets and blankets. Just got a lot of stuff. Can't even get rid of stuff. I don't know why I always have so much stuff. And again, in here, we haven't changed anything, but I do want to put something there, kind of decorate it, maybe put some curtains. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed the tour. Got to see how things have changed. I still have a lot of plans, a lot of things that I still want to change. I have some curtains to put up in the living room and the dining room, but it's really high and I'm scared of heights, so hopefully my husband will do that this weekend and we'll just get to decluttering, because I do have some places that I really want to declutter. So I hope I get a regular filming schedule from here on out. I have some plans. I have it planned out. Usually if I have a plan, I follow it. So hope to see you soon. Bye.